Our next item is brought to you by Temp-tations. It's the electric chip and dip server with warmer. It's a blowout clearance price of $19.94 or 5 easy payments of $3.99. Your item number is K50789. I want to get into this. Temp-tations is great for food and food displays. Just making your home look snackable. I don't even know if that's a word, but I'm gonna use it. I wanna jump into what you get. You're getting the chip tray, you're getting your dip bowl, and you're also getting the warming base here. And you're also getting a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. I love this because I love nachos and sporting events and games at home. I love dips. And one of my favorite things about dips is the fact that they can be warm. So listen, I'm not finicky and I'll eat nacho cheese if it's cold, but it tastes so much better when it's warm. And I love the fact that I can use this and put different types of chips in the different reservoirs here and have what I want. I'm not gonna use Lay's chips, but listen, I like different types or different flavors of tortilla chips. So I like the lime, I might like the nacho cheese. All that is, it's all set here. You don't necessarily have to use tortilla chips. So I want to take the bottom part here and put it down here where it's supposed to go. And then, so this is how you would put this together. So you have your plug. You plug this in, like so. And there's a little button here that shows you when you're ready to roll. If it's plugged in, we don't have that. But you set it like so. You put your favorite dip in here and place it on here. It's gonna start warming. After it warms up a little bit, you put your favorite chips in here. How about this? I'll put mine on this side. You could put yours on this side. When you're watching the game and cheering, I'm gonna take some from your side, but pretend that I ate them from my side. But I love the options that you have. I wanna get into some of the colors, so maybe you can style them according to your favorite team or the decorations that are in your house. So on top here, I want to start with the gray. Next, we have black, which I've already got warming. You can see my nacho chips in there. This is blue, like my shirt. And if we go to .com, this is confetti. That's a nice color. It's got a few different colors on the side. If you can see a little bowl there. It's nice. This is green. And finally, red. So depending on who your team is, pick those colors. But it's great. But I love the bowl and the decorations. I actually want to get into that. I'm going to look this one up that's supposed to have our chips. You can just see the design. I love the care that they went into. It just looks like not the chip bowl that the standard guy like I'm going to use. That could be a mixing bowl that I'm just putting just some generic chips in and that's the party. This looks like I cared about what I was doing, or at least I thought about it. This would be something that I could actually invite people that I want to impress, and they would be like, oh, look, TJ did a good job inviting us to his house, and he has wonderful chips and a wonderful display. And I think this is fantastic for those situations. Again, your item number is K50789. It's a clearance price of $19.94. Football season is coming up. We're still in the middle of summer. How great would this look? If you're having a summer party, this is great for that. $19.94 or 5 easy pays of $3.99. Colors again, gray, black, blue, and then going over to .com. This is our red. This is our green, and that's our confetti. Blowout price of $19.94. You really can't beat it. And this is something, the construction is something that will last you for years. You could probably do a little chocolate fondue kind of thing, depending on how fancy you want to be. It's also easy to clean. You could wipe it in or wipe it out. It's dishwasher safe. It's great, and it's actually not so big. so it won't knock everything off the table where you put it. It's got deep reservoirs, so you don't have to worry about it being too shallow or the chips bleeding in. Like I don't want the pretzels with my ridged chips or my other Doritos or other things, or excuse me, my nacho chips, because I'm not trying to say brands. Just cleaning things up. But this makes cleaning things up easy, it's simple, and it's classy. And for me, I need easy, I need simple. And if I can get classy with that, I'm gonna buy it. And I actually think you should too. So if you are good at hosting or you want to begin hosting, which is what I'm gonna try to do since I moved here, now's the time to put this item in your cart and check out. It's Temp-tations electric chip and dip server with warmer. Let's see some examples of here, what they're using at a party. So they have some breakfast there. Looks like they have some syrup in the middle and they got some pancakes and sausage. Looks like little French toast sticks going on there. You can even do a veggie tray or veggie plate. See, I didn't even think about that. You could take the healthy option. You're really only limited by what you want to serve and what you want to eat, but this is a classy and inexpensive way to tell people, I care about your snacking. There's my song. Keep playing that, man. Keep playing that.